Today's episode is about the heavyweight championship of data storage, SQL versus NoSQL. There are two database types, might sound like robots for a bad sci-fi movie, but they are crucial for storing information in our favorite apps and websites. Let's break down the key differences between those databases. First up, we have SQL, the OG of databases. Imagine a filing cabinet with labeled folders and rows of files. That's kind of how SQL works. It stores data in tables and column format like a giant spreadsheet. Each table has a specific structure like schema which keeps things organized. For example, in SQL, you might have a table called cars with columns for make, model, and year. To find all the red cars, you would use a query written in SQL language. Here's a simple example. Select a star from cars where color is equal to red. This code tells the database to select all the rows from the cars table where the color column matches red. The example of SQL databases are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Now let's talk about NoSQL, the flexible freestyler. NoSQL is more relaxed database. It's like a big box of Legos. You can store all sorts of data structured or not, like text, pictures, even social media posts. NoSQL lets you build your data storage however you want. Here, data is often stored as JSON documents, which are like flexible containers for information. For example, a NoSQL database might store a social media post with user's name, the post content, and even comments all bundled together in one document. The examples of a NoSQL database are like MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, Amazon DynamoDB, and many more. So which database wins? It depends. SQL structure makes it perfect for things that need to be super organized like financial data or customer information. You can easily search and analyze data with SQL queries. NoSQL shines with big and ever-changing datasets like social media feeds or sensor readings. It's like flexibility makes it easy to store new types of data without worrying about the schema. So that's all for today on SQL versus NoSQL. If you want to learn more about things, let me know in comment section.